Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see some free data science courses, and the courses which we'll be seeing in this video are offered by Educba e-learning platform. So before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And just a small update about Coursera here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies around the world like Google, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, and many more universities like Duke University, University of Illinois, HEC Paris, Johns Hopkins. So major universities and companies around the world are offering online courses via this platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this Coursera Plus will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses. And in addition to the courses, you can also access projects and job-ready certificate programs offered by top companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see free data science courses that are offered by Educba. So the first one is a complete data science course. You have more than 4 hours video content for this course, in which you can learn how to use Python to create data visualizations, and you learn how it is being used in data science field. And in addition to that, you will learn a lot more things like linear algebra, probability, gradient descent, and other algorithms used in data science. And this course has a very good rating as well, 4.5 out of 5. So the content is good as well, so you can just make use of it. And if you're a beginner in this field, this is going to be more useful for you. And here you can see what are the skills that you can master by taking this course. So you can learn about Python, data visualizations, AI, Python shells, pandas, machine learning, linear algebra, and all these things. And like I mentioned earlier, you have around 4 hours video content for this, more than 4 hours. And you will get lifetime access to all these materials like videos, everything. You will get lifetime access. And this is a self-paced one as well, so you can just set your own schedule for this, so you can complete it whenever you have time. And you will also get a verifiable certificate after completing the course. You can see that here. So you will get a certificate like this, so you can add this certificate to your LinkedIn, or you can also attach it to your resume. So certificate is also available for you. So this is the first one. Next one is machine learning course. So here you will learn about machine learning algorithms, time series, clustering, classification, and chart type. So this also has a very good rating, 4.6 out of 5. And here you can learn about R programming, deep learning, NLP, AWS, face detection, A/B testing, hypothesis testing. So all these things will be covered in this course. For this course also, you have more than 4 hours video content. And for all the courses, you will get lifetime access and certificates. So you can just go ahead and take these courses if you want to learn these topics. Next one is related to statistics. So we all know that statistics is playing a huge role in data science field, and particularly for analytics. So you will get to learn the essentials of statistics, that is the basic fundamental concepts which you should know if you want to dive into data science field. So you will learn about all those statistics fundamentals which is being used, and you will get to learn about random numbers, variables, data types, graphical techniques, sampling techniques. So these are things which you'll get to learn in this course. And this also has a very good rating, 4.5 out of 5. And this is a short course. You just have 1 to 2 hours learning content. You can see that here. Let's move on to the next one, which is data analytics course. So in this data analytics course, you can learn about OpenCV, pandas, gradient descent, probability, customer analytics, marketing analytics, predictive analytics. So a lot of analytical concepts will be taught to you in this particular course. And this also has a very good rating, 4.5 out of 5. And for this course also, you have more than 4 hours learning content. You can expect it around to be 4 to 5 hours. So you might have to spend that much time to complete the course. And anyone who wants to learn about data science can take this course. There is no eligibility restriction for any of these courses. If you know the basics, well and good, but even if you do not know the basics, you can still make use of these courses. So I hope you will find these 4 courses related to data science very useful. Now let me tell you how you can enroll in these courses. So once you are on the course page, just click on this enroll for free button, and you will see a pop-up like this. So just give your email address here and give your contact number, and just click on this button, yes, give me free access. So once you do that, you will receive an email with all the login details. So you can see that here, login details for this free course will be emailed to you. So you will get all those login details, and then you can just come to the page and log in with your account, and you can take the free course. So it's a very simple registration process. I hope these courses will be very useful for you. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ.